Hi, this is Shakil Ahmed. In this video, I would like to show how we can apply an sapply function to a list when we have a list. A list consists of different objects like a scalar, a matrix, or a vector, and we are applying some function on all the objects at the same time. And in return, we will get a vector for vector of values after applying a function uh, for all the objects. For example, we have a list X which consists of a vector A is equal to 1 and a vector B is equal to 1 to 3, and the next vector is C, that is 10 to 100. And we want to apply a function on these three objects. For example, we are finding mean of each vector, or we can find maximum of each vector. Then we use sapply function. It will apply the function on all objects and will return a vector of the length that is equal to the length of basically the number of objects in the list. We have three objects, so we will get a vector of length 3. So let's try sapply and then x, and the function is length. We just want to uh, find the length of each object in the each vector, we can say, in the list x. So first run the list x, and you can see different objects in the list. And the first object is 1, and the second object is 1, 2, 3, and this is the third object that is also a vector. And we want to see the list, the length of each object. The first object is of length 1, and the second object is of length 3, and the third object is of length 91. Similarly, we can find sum or mean of all all the objects within the list, and you will get a vector of sums. So let's see. The sum of A is 1, the sum of B is 6, 1, 2, 3, that is 6, and the sum of C is 505. And you can find mean, for example, 2 to 50, 1 for mean for A, for 2, for B2, and the mean of C is 55. Uh, we can also use sapply to get a vector, a matrix of this is the number of columns 1 to 5, and for each column we are generating a random variable of size 4. So it will be a 4 cross 5 matrix. So basically we are applying the function x on the uh, in this list x, and we will get the uh, r norm for the values of x in this list. Basically x is varies from 1 to 5. So let's see. uh, you will get the d that consists of uh, first, which is the r norm with x. X means 1 to 5. So for first row, it will take x is equal to 1 for first column. For second column, it will take x is equal to 2. And for third column, it will take x is equal to 3, and so on. So you can check this by, for example, we can just check r norm although it will generate different number, but we can still check uh, just 5. This is generating 5 numbers with from standard normal, so we can just change x1 and we are generating one number, so that is 0.99. And if we set normal 1 and 1, we will get 1.6, and that is basically we are taking mean is equal to 1, and then mean is equal to 2, and then mean is equal to 3. So these are the commands we can use. And if you want to change the standard deviations within this column, you can change, uh, uh, we can just write 0 here and then x, and that will change, that will generate a normal random variable for each column with variance is equal to x. So this is just application of sapply function. Thank you.